turn.
Well, she was until Marie tried to start and she stopped.
Uh-oh.
Ouch!
Uh-oh. You gonna spin? You gonna spin?
Oh, yeah.
Good girl. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
You gonna brush your hair?
Oh, wow.
You gonna brush your hair? Very good. Yeah.
Brushing your hair? That would be fun.
Cheese.
No, don't hit her.
Oh,
Don't
be
hit her,
careful.
baby. Be easy.
Be careful.
Yeah. That's true. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a lot. Just for a toy. You'll think you're nuts.
Is it? Let's,
Be a good workout.
let's video Mama.
Being
There,
sore.
see, look. See, Mama? You zoomed it in. Oh, thank you. I didn't know you could do that. Yeah.
Yeah.
You gonna brush your hair?
Yeah.
You gonna brush your hair?
Okay. Alrighty. Love you too. Bye. Oh. Lala. That was Lolly. She wanted to see you all this weekend. Yeah, Lolly. She wanted to see you this weekend. Yeah, Lolly.
Are you gonna go visit Lolly this weekend? Lolly. Mama. Meemaw? Meemaw? Mommy? Is that what Meemaw is backwards?
Meemaw.
Meemaw.
Meemaw's picture is up there, baby. I need still to clean off all that Halloween stuff. And get busy, Mama. That's what she's looking for, is your picture. Brindley, look up. Look up there, by the clock. By the clock.
Up here, baby. Up here. See, there's Meemaw and Papaw. See, right here? Right there. That old lady is Meemaw.
Brindley, that table looks like it's going to fall over. Don't do that.
Do you have the backgrounds for the photos?
Yes. Hey, come on. Let's come back over here. We're too busy watching Brindley. We're not even watching what's going on. No, don't mess with it.
You gonna crawl through there?
Don't. Oh, my phone's ringing again.
Where's Ace? Where's Ace? Is he outside? He's barking at something, isn't he? Is Ace barking at something?
Hold on.
Is Ace barking at something? Say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye?